it says going live, and finally you're live, but I don't know how much I'm live. It says here 7 seconds. Anyways, what is up, guys? It's Sunday, it's morning, it's early. I like waking up early and all the good stuff. And I want to get this done quickly. And because I want to go and create a tutorial, I want to record it. Everything is done and blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. So before we start, we have the special is still going on for the course that I'm promoting. So I'm going to click here and publish it, or click and post it here in the chat. So the promotion is still on for one day. It will then be off, or there are a few more spots because that's only for 100 people. Anyways, I'm going to get into the topic for this live stream because I want to get it done as quickly as possible. I want to go off the live stream and work. So the other day I got in a chat with one of my students, one of the people who followed the YouTube tutorial. He had issues coming up with game ideas and creating those ideas and so on and so forth. So he asked for advice, what he can do to be better. And by the way, do you guys even hear me what I'm saying? Hopefully you do. Otherwise, this would be a really weird live stream. So give me an exclamation mark if you hear everything what I'm saying. But quickly, do it quickly. Do you hear me? Do you hear me talking? Yeah, we can hear. Great. Okay. So we got into that chat and he complained all about those things, and he asked for advice. He asked for advice how to get better, how to improve his programming skills, how to improve his game development skills, how to generate more game ideas. And the answer is really simple. And this is something you guys skip a lot, but you need to watch more tutorials. And what I mean by this, well, the more you go through, the more examples you see, the more things you cover, that way you will know how to come up with ideas that you can create. Because if you went through a tutorial, you saw a particular thing, how that's being made, if you coded yourself, went through it, so on and so forth, you will get the idea how you can create that on your own. Because the problem with generating game ideas is that when you have a game idea in your head, you start to think immediately, how can you create a game from that idea? If you don't come up with the solution in your head while you're thinking, and when I say solution, I don't mean like the complete solution from scratch to a finished game, but if you don't have an idea, or at least approximately how would you create a game from that idea, then you're going to think that idea is not good because you think you cannot create it, you're going to throw it away. That is the main issue. That's why I create a lot of tutorials. That's why I put up a lot of tutorials on the YouTube channel. It's not like for amusement or for you to say, oh, great, best teacher, I like the tutorial. No, it's up there for you to watch it. So watch every tutorial that I put out, because you will get more and more ideas. I don't know if there's anybody who has followed all the tutorials all the way through, but you will see a lot of examples where I just changed a few things from one game and created a completely different game in another tutorial, but the principles are the same, the code is similar, so on and so forth. That's how you start. That's how you become a game developer, a programmer, by seeing more examples, by watching more tutorials, because then you evolve. You see a lot of examples, you know how certain things are done, and that is how you will generate game ideas. Because when you know how to create a thing, because for now, if I have, for example, I don't know, if I come up with a game where a character is about to fly and avoid obstacles, I immediately know in my head, how can I create that? Okay, I'm going to turn off gravity, and then I'm going to move him up and down. That's how I'm going to make him fly. And I'm going to add a variable that's going to constantly push him forward. That's how he's going to go forward. And voila. And I know this by watching multiple tutorials. So I know in order to make a character move, if it's a 3D game, you need to add force, or you need to add a value to the Z position so he moves like this, so on and so forth. So the more you watch, the more you will learn, the more ideas you will get, the more confident you will be in creating your own games. So basically, that is that. Okay, so is marketing your game important? Of course it is. But I'm not going to stick anymore. Hola, amigo. Do you play Apex Legends? No, I don't know what that is. Anyways, guys, I'm going to hop off. I'm going to hop off and go and create a new tutorial that I have. I'm going up with my 30-day, 30 games challenge. Hopefully that I will finish. I have like more 15 games. So yeah, anyways, the special is still here. It's valid for 24 more hours or a couple of spots left. If you want to get it, you can get it. Link will be also in the description below. Thank you guys for watching this live stream, and I will see you in another one. Take care.